The road is finally clear, so it is time to continue this journey into the unknown. There is a sense of peace when riding alone through the mist. Why did the motorcycle stop at the red light? Because it was tired and wanted to take a little break before continuing on its long, foggy journey. The damage here is quite significant, but I believe the structure is still intact. I will need to take a closer look at the frame later today.
I am out here on the forest road with the vehicle, and it appears that we are going to need a tow truck to get this moved safely.
Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. Just like the old car sitting here in the middle of this beautiful, misty forest.
Good work on the arrival. That red sports car looks steady on the platform. Let us get it moved inside the bay carefully before the sun fades.
Why did the Leaf decide to go to the mechanic shop? Because it was feeling a little bit tired and needed a quick sweep. Why did the car get promoted at work? Because it was always driven to succeed and knew how to earn with style. Why did the mechanic break up with his girlfriend? Because he felt their relationship was just going through too many dents and needed a little filler.
The connection looks solid on the high voltage side, but let me check the sensor casing one more time just to be absolutely sure everything is secure.
Why did the mechanic break up with his girlfriend? Because he felt they had too much friction and he needed someone who was better at torque. Why did the mechanic go to the art gallery? Because he wanted to see some masterpiece oil paintings and get inspired by all the classic engines on display.
Why did the mechanic bring a ladder to work? Because he heard the service department was high up, and he wanted to reach the new levels. Because they always know how to handle the pressure when things get a little tight under the hood.